Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your standard mortgage account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your standard mortgage account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address stand more like this and type on .com. You can see the web address, guys. Type it correctly, standmore.com, and don't enter, or you can just simply search for standard mortgage like this and type on login and you don't enter, and on the first page you can see there is the standmore.com for the standard mortgage. Click on this one, the first result of Google, and over here guys you can see both of these pages are same for the standard mortgage website. This is, and you can see guys both of these pages are same. One was from the Google search result, whereas one was from the direct web address. Since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these. Now to log into your standard mortgage account online from over here, at the top of the screen or at the top of this page you can see there is the make a payment button available, where I'm hovering right now. Click over there which says the make a payment, and on the next step you'll be required to log on to your account. This is the place where you will be able to sign into your standard mortgage account. So let's proceed with our login and click on our log on to our account, and let's wait for this login page to open. And over here guys you'll be required to enter your username and your password with which you had created an account on standard mortgage like this. Or if you have not yet created an account on standard mortgage and you want to start up, you can simply click on the register button available over here, and then you'll be taken to the registration process of the standard mortgage. With that being said guys, if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on the forgot username or the forgot password button available down over here to go through a procedure to retrieve or reset your account's username or password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be able to sign into your standard mortgage account from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.